Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your phone or accessory supports Qi wireless charging. Next, plug the charger into a stable wall adapter that meets the pad's rated wattage. A 5W15W adapter covers most phones. Once done, remove metal or magnetic cases and clear debris on the back of the phone so coils can couple. You'll want the device's battery within 20–80% for best behavior. Now place the device roughly centered on the pad to begin. Next, focus on exact placement and feedback. You place the phone on the pad and then make small adjustments. Shift an 1/8 inch left or right, because coil alignment is critical for efficient power transfer. Make sure the charger's LED or your device's charging indicator lights up. That confirms correct coupling. Once the indicator is steady, monitor temperature briefly. Mild warmth is normal, but excessive heat means reposition or stop. If using a stand-style pad, angle affects alignment, so test multiple angles. To finish, confirm the charge rate and let the phone sit until it reaches your target. If charging stalls, first remove the device and try a fresh placement. Then reboot the phone and try again, because software can interfere with detection. If problems persist, swap the USB cable and wall adapter with a known good unit to rule out power issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see no charge or excessive heat, remove the case and use a lower wattage adapter or pause charging for 10 minutes before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.